Here we are at Cork Fire Kitchen at Temecula Creek Inn, where their menu is always changing with their seasonal items and their own culinary twists. Here we are at their chef's garden, where they grow a lot of their herbs, their vegetables, and some of their fruit. You know, the chef is very passionate about where that food comes from. A lot of it comes from their garden. They also get it from their local farms, and so that way you know exactly where your food is coming from.
Today you're going to be trying it's our take on a shrimp cocktail, so it's kind of a garden version. These are 4 chilled Gulf white prawns, wild caught. Then we do a little pea vine and horseradish puree. That's kind of to take the place of the cocktail sauce. Do some beets on there, a little prosciutto, some pickled chilies that we pull right out of the garden. So it's got a little sweet, a little heat, everything you want for a shrimp cocktail. So
Nice. If spring had a flavor, this would be it. You can taste the freshness in here. That horseradish puree and the pickled chilies, nice combination of a little bit of heat there, very, very sweet. And you can tell a lot of work went into this, and it's so delicious and so fresh. You can taste a little hint of that blood orange olive oil, which is actually from the Temecula Olive Oil Company. So a really true farm to table experience.